Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. In this video I'm unboxing the Zhiyun Telescopic Monopod. Okay, so here we have the box and it says Zhiyun Telescopic Monopod Stabilizer Accessories. Here we have a crane 2 with the monopod, and here we have a bigger picture of the monopod collapsed. Here we have the link of the company zhiyuntech.com, and here we have the back side of the box. Here we can see we can actually put it into an angle here. Here it says detachable stand design, bi-directional mounting design, and universal joint base. Accessory included is the monopod, a rubber feet, a bag, and a strap. Let's open this up. And it here, and here we have the bag. Okay, looking at the bag, it looks nice with Zhiyun logo there. Let's open this up, and ta-da! We see a strap. So this is interesting. If this is a strap for the bag, so this is not a strap for the gimbal. So it's quite an interesting, or not quite sure, odd design. But here we have the monopod. So let's get out of the place, and here let's look at this. Here we can see nice Zhiyun logo and the name Zhiyun. Let's open this. Okay, this is an interesting design. So pulling it out, it locks, and we have here a button. We press it, we can then flip it up. Let's do a twist lock test if it's quick to release all at once. So I'll do a half. And this is a very smooth release in one go. And then lock it down. Let's see what else is in the bag. Here on the side I have a small manual. We have a manual with 2 Allen keys and a wrist strap. Need to check out how I can attach this, and a rubber feet if you don't want to have those legs. Let's actually open the manual and see what they recommend here. Here we have the manual. Let's open this. So, great page. Okay. We already know. Okay, so the strap is actually for around the monopod. Let's see. It doesn't really explain how this is attached, but we have to look at how that's possible. So that was unboxing the Zhiyun Telescopic Monopod. It's a really nice addition to your Zhiyun gimbal or the Crane 2, and especially this has like a really wide base, so it enables you to get like a really steady stand of it. And what I really like about this compared to a lot of the other monopods is this shoulder strap. A lot of them just don't have this strap. This is enables me to quickly just put it around the shoulder instead of having to store it away inside of a bag. So that was mainly it. Hopefully you guys like this video, and please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more upcoming videos, please subscribe. Also check out my other videos on this channel. If you have any questions, please comment below or join us on our Facebook group. There's a link in the description below, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye.